Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As part of our Python programming language series, we are doing a number of problems. Apart from this is eighth problem in if-else condition problems. See, in this question, what they are telling means we need to write a Python program. We need to write a Python program which takes selling price and cost price as input. Means what are the inputs? Selling price and cost price. And what we need to print whether the businessman got profit or loss. Okay, whether the businessman or the salesperson got profit or loss. For example, think that there is one TV. Okay, there is one TV which you will watch television. See, I am drawing some movie background also. This is a TV. This shopkeeper purchased from some X company with the cost price. Cost price means what is the price he took. For example, if he took for 10 rupees, think that 10 rupees. 10 rupees is not possible in dreams also, but think, okay, for your understanding. Now, he will sell in his shop. In his shop, he will sell. That is known as selling price. Okay. If he keeps selling price rupees 15, now what will he get? He will get a profit of 5 rupees. Why? Because he purchased for 15 rupees, sorry, he purchased for 10 rupees but he sold for 15 rupees. The margin, he got 5 rupees as a profit. Correct. This is the case where he will get the profit. For example, the cost price, he purchased the TV for 10 rupees and he sold for 5 rupees only. Selling price, what the price he will sell in the shop is known as selling price. At what the cost he will purchase is known as cost price. Okay, selling price is 5 rupees. Now if you observe, 5 minus 10, it is minus 5, then it is known as loss. Okay, these are the two scenarios, how he will get profit and how he will get the loss. These are the two scenarios. Now we need to tell based on the, for example, in the program we will get cost price and selling price as input. We need to tell what the businessman got. He got profit or what loss. This is the program we need to write for. Now if you observe carefully, what are the categories we have? Profit is one category and loss is one category. Totally, we have only two categories. And you people already know that if you have two, either this or that, either profit or loss, if you have two scenarios only, either two scenario based questions, what we should use? We should use if else condition. And what is the condition? Okay, now we need to observe this. If you observe, first we will do selling price minus cost price. Okay, if it is greater than or equal to 0, if it is greater than or equal to 0, see here 5 rupees, selling price minus cost price, sp minus cp. If it is greater than equal to 0, 0 also it's okay, consider 0 also profit only. 0 rupees profit I got, 1 rupee profit, 2 rupee profit, 3 rupee profit, like this. So it will be considered as profit. What if the condition fails? If the condition is fails, this is passes, true. If it passes, then he will get profit. If the condition fails, means in case of false, then what he will get? Loss. That's all. The same. The condition is very simple. Just profit or loss he will get. Only two scenarios. Now, how to write the program? Okay, let's see. Now, first, before going to write, first you need to understand what is input. Input is selling price and cost price. Two integers. Amount will be 100 rupees, 200, like that, right? So that integers. Okay. Now, what is the output? The output is either profit or loss. Only two scenarios. This is the two scenarios possible. Okay, and now what is the method? We'll write the program and we'll understand. Okay, and at last we will execute and we'll see the results also. Now if you are starting the program, just to see first what we need to do, we need to take the input. First, selling price is equals to, we need to typecast, right, integer of input of, that's all. We'll get the selling price. Correct. Now cost price is ghost. Again I am typecasting. If you people don't know typecasting, please see in the series what is the typecasting. I explained already. Now we got these two. Now we need to write the condition. What is the condition? If we need to use, why? Because we are going to two flows, either this or that, either this or that. In that situations we need to use if else. Correct. So that if selling price minus cost price, if it is greater than or equal to 0, if it is greater than or equal to 0, what I should print? I should print profit. else, else, else what I should print? Loss. Correct. That's all. If you observe, the program is very simple. What they did, just they took two inputs and they are checking the condition. If this condition is true, see, I am giving the space indentation. So now I am printing profit. Now, this is not part of if code. So else, we came to else. If the else condition is true, we are printing loss. We are printing loss. That's all. The problem is very simple. Just we need to print either profit or loss. Only two scenarios. Now let's code this. Let's code this. I am using online GDB compiler. You people know already who are following me from before. Now first, selling price is equals to int of. I am converting int of input of. Okay, next, cost price is equals to int of input of. If selling price minus cost price greater than or equal to 0, then what I should print? What I should print? Profit. Correct. Am I right? Profit. Else, else loss. That's all. Only two cases we have. We need to print only these two cases. But if you observe, see here, if I run this program, the program is asking for selling price. Okay, selling price is 10 rupees, cost price is 5 rupees. Now, what is the issue? We'll get loss, right? Sorry, selling price is 10 rupees, but I purchased it for 5 rupees. 10 minus 5, 5 is greater than 0, so I will get the profit. So if you observe, we are getting the profit. Correct. This is true. In case of reverse, okay, let's see reverse also. Reverse condition. Reverse means will sell for 5 rupees, but will purchase for 10 rupees. Now we got loss. That's all. It is very simple, but it is little bit confusing whether you are asking selling price or cost price. So that I will enter here. So please, I will ask the user enter the selling price. Now similarly here, enter the cost price. Now observe this program, how good it looks. Just see, it is asking selling price. I am selling for 15 rupees. And what is the cost price? I purchased it for 10 rupees. Now 15 minus 10, 5 rupees I am getting a profit, so that it should print profit. Yeah, this is correct, guys. It is printing profit. Now I hope I cleared all of your doubts. This program is simple. We did it. We can meet in the next problem. If you like the video, please give me a like, share, subscribe, and please forward it to your friends if it feel useful. Okay. Bye, guys. Meet you in the next video. Bye.